So the third problem of exercise 8.1. In the given figure, DE is parallel to AC and DF parallel to AE. Then prove that BF by FE is equal to BE by EC. Firstly, you should understand the diagram properly. In this figure, they mention that DE is parallel to AC. Where is DE? This line. DE is parallel to AC. Okay. Next, what do they mention? They mention that DF is parallel to AE. Okay. Now, we need to prove this one. To this, firstly, to prove this one, let us write what is given. They given that DE is parallel to AC and DF is parallel to AE. And what is required to prove? We require to prove that BF by FE is equal to BE by AC. So let us see how we are going to prove. So to prove this one, we have to know an important theorem of similar triangles, that is of basic proportionality theorem. Once let us look about the statement of basic proportionality theorem, then afterwards let us come back to our problem. Okay, let us see the basic proportionality theorem definition. This is a definition of basic proportionality theorem. What is basic proportionality theorem? Says that if a line drawn parallel to the one side of a triangle, intersecting the other two sides at two distinct points, then other two sides are divided in the same ratio. If you take a triangle ABC, in this triangle ABC, if I draw a line DE as parallel to the BC, if a line drawn DE as parallel to BC, then DE divides the other two sides AB and AC in the same ratio. Here DE divides AB in the ratio of AD by DB, and DE divides AC in the ratio of AE by EC. So as for the basic proportionality theorem, these two ratios are equal, that they are given. Okay, so how we are going to apply this basic proportionality theorem? How are we going to apply this basic proportionality theorem for the given diagram? So for that, if you observe this, in this diagram they mentioned that DE is parallel to AC. Here actually this diagram we are going to divide into two parts. One is a bigger triangle and other is a smaller triangle. So let us look about the bigger triangle. In the bigger triangle, I should take a bigger triangle. Okay, in the bigger triangle ABC, they mention that DE is parallel to AC. They mention that DE is parallel to AC. So let us write, in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to AC. So from the basic proportionality theorem, we can write that this DE divides the two sides of triangle in the same ratio. DE divides the two sides of a triangle in the same ratio. That is of PD by DA is equal to BD by DA is equal to BE by EC. So let us suppose these are the first equation, and from this given diagram we can take another small triangle that is of ABE. ABE. Let me draw it here. In triangle ABE, they mention that DF is parallel to is A. So in triangle ABE, DF is parallel to AE. So from the basic proportionality theorem, we can write this DF divides two sides of triangle ABE in the same ratio, that is of BD by DA is equal to BF by FE. Now let us suppose this is a second equation. If you observe these first and second equations, in the both equations LHS parts are equal. As LHS are equal, we can equate the RHS also. So from that we can write from the equation 1 and equation 2, we can write that BE by AC is equal to BF by EF or FE. This is what that we require to prove. Hence we proved it. Thank you friends for watching this video.